What's up guys? So today we're gonna try out my Armattan again with separate EACs and blah 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 like I said before, and we're gonna try it out here. I don't know if I can, there you go, and see how it does. We're only gonna do one pack because as you can see there's quite a bit of people, so we gotta wait kind of long because you know we don't want to make it a dangerous situation by any means. So you know, even if there's one person out there, I'm probably not gonna fly. So hopefully there is at least, you know, a moment of 2 to 3 minutes, which is all this battery lasts for, that we can actually do a quick flight at our stomping grounds basically, and see how that goes. All right, let's go. Hope we never have to use that thing over there ever. Yeah. Oh my.
Okay, wait, I can't record.
Okay, taking off. Okay, we are good. I'm not risking it.
I can't hang out.
You know what? Anyways, I don't like it. So I'm just gonna do it.
Don't step on the gravel.
Yeah, step on the ground.
Follow.
Wait. It's slippery, honey. Watch out. Go slow. Tired? You want to take a break?
No,
Okay, come here.
no, I don't want to take it. Anyways. My shoes don't come off.
Okay, go here. Go here. Sit down over here.
I don't think that was
Poor Daddy. They're probably pulling him down like a weight.
Tired. Okay, this is a steep hill. Ready?
You can do that.
Okay, go. Don't step on the rock. Lean forward.
Lean forward.
You can do this. Record the.
Mom, then we're gonna wait for mommy, right? Because I don't want to leave mommy behind. Oh my god, it's still walking.
Oh, she's all the way over there. Say hi.
Hey, come on, just come. Before the big wave comes.